Hello, it's Greg here from the Drew Australia Ayurveda team, just dropping in for a guest appearance. Here in Australia, we're just moving into autumn. The leaves are turning, it's getting cooler, and just at the same time as in the Northern Hemisphere, you'll be starting to feel spring in the air. But on both sides of the planet, we're approaching the equinox, that still point between the seasons when the days and the nights are of equal length. The best time of year for an Ayurvedic cleanse. A digestive cleanse is such a Sattvic thing to do. And you know, Sattvic choices lead us to purity, to clarity, to balance. And they open us up to our highest potential. So here at Drew, we've done everything we can to make it really easy and efficient for you to make that Sattvic choice. And now you can do your spring cleanse at home with online support and in company with a supportive community of like-minded others. The gunas. I love the way the gunas work. Sattva, Rajas, Tamas. I love the way they're in constant interplay right from the moment of creation and how they influence and regulate everything around us. Our physical environment, the plants, nature, material things, and our own selves, our bodies, our minds, senses, our personalities. The gunas can help us to see with wisdom and make decisions with clarity. Or, left unchecked, the gunas can cause us to accept false ideas about ourselves and about our place in this material universe. But we've got to remember that all three have their place. They're all important, they're all useful. So we need the stable, solid, restful qualities of tamas to get a good night's sleep. And we wouldn't get out of bed in the morning without a healthy dose of rajas. What's important is that we can make wise choices so as to invite the positive influence of these three gunas into every aspect of our everyday experience. So, making Sattvic choices about cooking. Well, that starts with how we're feeling. So if we're rushing with rajas or sluggish with tamas, that can show up in the food that we prepare. So it's best to be in a compassionate, generous state. Our minds clear of negative thoughts and emotions while we're preparing the food. Cooking with love, we call it. Cooking with love. Choose fresh, natural foods. And we say seasonal, local, whole foods, and as organic as possible. It's a good idea to give thanks, to be grateful. Thanks to the people who produce the food, people who package it, the people who deliver it to the stores, and for the privilege of having easy access to food. Be grateful. And we can add cleansing energy to the experience of preparing and eating our food just by lighting a flame. And that clarifies the environment, clears the environment. And we might like to chant a mantra or a positive affirmation or listen to some uplifting music. And there are some ancient texts that take a rather dim view of cooking only for ourselves. They encourage us to feed others, to bless others with the food we prepare. And when it's unavoidable to cook only for ourselves, well, we can neutralise any ill effects by offering the Sattvic essence of that food to a deity or a higher spirit before we eat it. Or we can offer that Sattvic essence to those people in the world who don't have enough to eat. And remember, just an anjali, the amount we can hold in our cupped hands, eaten mindfully, sharing the love in the food. So these are all Sattvic choices. And if you want to delve into this a bit more, we hope you'll join us on the live, online, 5-day spring cleanse at home. It's an incredible package of support. There's an introductory workshop on the 9th of April. The cleanse itself runs through the week of the 15th to the 19th of April. You get access to the resources folder on the Drew Learning Hub. There's PDFs of the shopping list, the 5-day cleanse program, the menu plans, all the recipe and lots more. There's links to the 5 cooking videos, online support from our experienced team of Ayurveda tutors throughout the process. And there's daily online sessions to track your progress, for you to raise questions, and just to keep connected as a community. And you get to share the experience with a community of like-minded people, because we've found it's better together.